What's up guys, Max here, and yes, I've been away for quite some time. I was busy with work, family, and building this new studio. I had to build the wall you see behind me from scratch, and I had to improve the power, the main power for the cascade, phase change, and very different stuff that you will see when I do a proper video or like a tour of the studio. Because everything that you see here, the table, everything has wheels, so I can change shape, change scenario. For instance, the on my left, we have the same backdrop with the shelf with the components, so I can rotate that everything and use that backdrop again. I can make another one on my right. So, well, I will show you everything when it's finished. But now we have some unboxing to do because now I strengthened my cooperation with my team, the Italian Extreme Modders. So now when they have some sponsored product, before they make the mod, they give it to me, I can do a review, and then they can do the mods. So we have this way to collaborate that helps me to make more content and do a better way to test things and then build the mod with the component tested and overclocked as well if the customer or the brand wants it. But now let's get straight to the point. All right, let's start with this one. I know what is inside more or less. It's a lot of stuff, but I want to do the unboxing and show you what the component is and what I'm going to do, because I'm going to do the test and review for my channel and for the Italian Extreme Modder channel in Italian. So if you want to see me speak in Italian, you can go and check it out. I will make the link in the description of this video. Okay, so we have, oh, look at that, an Asus GeForce 3060. This will be a good one to test, especially because now, at least at the time of shooting this video, the prices are going down, and with this card you can do a lot of stuff. But well, I will show you in my next videos various tests, World of Warcraft or other games. If you have suggestions, just write in the description, in the comment below, and I will make a proper video. Now that I have the new studio, I should have more time to make good stuff. Okay, so we have a GPU and we place it right here. Next box. This is a ROG motherboard stand. Pretty nice. Well, but I don't know if you are interested in this too much. Let's see what we have in the other box. Okay, this sounds more interesting and it's pretty heavy too. Alright, so we have a ROG baseball cap, choke, some edge holders, nice stuff, an agenda to write the overclocking settings, some t-shirts, a lot of t-shirts, other ROG stuff. Now this one, this is a good one. DDR5, the Team Group T-Force DDR5, the TUF version, and I'm going to test it and review it really to see how much we can push the memory and so on. So this is another good stuff. Now let's make room for way much more interesting things. Oh yes, very interesting things inside here. Okay, ready? Okay, we have the Z690 Plus Wi-Fi. Very nice motherboard. I'm really keen to test it. So yeah, I think this is one of the first I will do after the next video we'll see tomorrow. This one probably will test it with the 12600K. So yeah, a very mid-range motherboard that I'm really have high expectation about tuning and performance overall. So yeah, I put it here. And we have something really heavy. Oh yeah, this PSU is a really a beast because I have the 1200 watts and is basically it can power everything. I tried with the Threadripper, the 64 core plus 3090 inking ping, and is a beast. So this one is 1000 watts. So I will do some overclocking. Maybe I can try to use this with some extreme overclocking settings to show you that it's really unstoppable. So now we move it through here. And final piece. This is big. Okay. This is really a nice motherboard, the Z6690 Hero. So again, I will try that DDR5 here, but as well I will try my DDR5 kit because I have a couple that is a 6400 C32 with Hynix chip, and they should do at least 6600 or 6800. But well, I will go through overclocking settings and some other interesting stuff with this beast. Okay, so now you have seen at least the other part of the studio. I made some less tech but more traditional way of decorating this wall. But you know, I have other free walls uh, to be able to make it different. You will see. I have some special project going on to make a wall that is literally epic. But well, you will see. So for today is everything. I have a lot of stuff to do to start testing. By the time you will see this video, I will be already uploading the video with the 12900K memory scaling and a lot of stuff in World of Warcraft. And the results are pretty impressive, like more than 20% above the current AMD top performance. So, well, uh, you must see that. So by the time you see this, count one day and you will see the other one. So yeah, I was better to start working on this thing. And well, you have my Discord. I'm still active there, and I will try to be more present here in this channel. And see you in the next one.